All right, so now we're going to work on getting our free trial with Articulate Storyline. That is half the battle, just getting it set up and installed. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. First thing you're going to want to do is open up Google, and then just Google Articulate 360 free trial. Okay. And go ahead and just click on this. If it says articulate.com, that's the right link. So here you are. Start your free trial of Articulate 360. So I am actually going to start one under my husband's account since I already have one. You'll just fill in all of this information with your own personal information. Okay, almost done. Pretty simple here. Okay, and it'll want you to agree to the terms and the uses. Okay, activate Articulate 360 trial. Okay, it says you're all set. Check your email to get started with your free 60-day trial of Articulate 360. So it's a 60-day trial, so just check your email and then follow the whatever it prompts you to do to continue getting this set up. And that is all there is to it. So go ahead and do that, and then we'll continue on in the course.